Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at the Wiki 002G cat tree. It has a scratching toy with ball. It's an activity center. This thing's going to be fun for your cat, but also you're going to enjoy how much your cat enjoys it. Now, I always take my cat and I give him his treats right in his private little box to keep him away from the dogs. And this thing is so much fun. There's a little basket that he can hang out in. A lot of cats are going to like to climb to the top level to really enjoy the view. It's sturdy, it's built to last, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. We're going to give you 5 reasons why it's fantastic. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. So the number 5 reason that I love this thing so much is that little kitty hammock. Yeah, my cat loves getting in this. It seems like his place. He'll get in the sun, curl up, take a little nap, and it's absolutely fantastic. He feels protected and safe above the ground and still out there to where he can keep an eye on everything. That cat hammock is a great reason why this outshines the competition. The number 4 reason is the faux fur is really, really soft. My cat loves it. You can tell he loves snuggling up against it, rubbing up against it. And then it has those durable posts that he can scratch on and mess with, and you don't have to worry about him messing with the furniture. As long as he's on this, he's not causing havoc, he's not causing mischief, and you know what? He's just happy. But overall, that faux fur design is super gentle on his fur. You can tell he's comfortable. Whether he's in his hammock or he's in his little box, he's having a great time. The number 3 reason to get this is because of the really cool box. This thing offers him protection. We all know how cats love boxes. They love getting in boxes. They love checking out boxes. Gives them privacy and security. And this little box is a great place for my guy to get his temptation treats and just survey the land. So many cool aspects here. This is a fantastic cat tree, and Amazon has outdone themselves once again with that Amazon Prime, and you know the benefits that are associated with Amazon Prime. The number 2 reason to pick this up is because of the fantastic height. Put it in front of your window and give your cat a view to the world where they're more comfortable than sitting on the windowsill, and they can see everything going on in the house or outside at the same time. The height on this thing is absolutely fantastic. It's a perfect height for your cat, be able to jump down, jump up, and you know what else? This thing is great for 2 cats at the same time. So if you've got 2 cats, 1 tree, this thing is going to be perfect. Let one of them relax in the hammock, the other one on the top shelf or in their box. These guys are going to love it, but the height is absolutely exact for sitting in front of a window, and he or she can rule over the outdoors. And the number 1 reason why this one outshines the competition is because it's super easy to assemble. Just take seconds, maybe a minute or 2. Some of the cat trees I've picked up, and I've had a lot over the years, take forever. It's like getting a box of twigs. This thing, straightforward, easy design, and ultra sturdy. And I have to admit, it seems like it's built to last. Some cat trees in my house last less than a year. This one is going to be around. It's sturdy, it's strong. It is a fantastic, fantastic product. A real diamond in the rough. So if your question is, should I pick this up? Heck yes, you should. It's absolutely incredible. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own and we love. And guess what? We absolutely love this cat tree. All right. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.